if you start here like crackling, almost like someone's standing right behind you, and, like moonwalking, that's the avalanche about to trigger.
How the fuck did you get up there?
Told you, Billy Goat.
There we
All right, Ryan, come over here.
What?
Wait, I'm not up yet.
Come
I
on.
know.
Come on.
go. Do we see that drop? That's all I care
No.
about.
There's one down to the north.
Did it roll all the way to the fucking town?
Yes.
Where are you going, Glenn?
Back here to start the avalanche.
We're way too fucking high. I'm
No,
not
we're
gonna be able
not.
to see shit.
It's gonna. You'll see it.
So we got people.
Here, go
down.
stand right there.
I'm the cameraman. You gotta keep that in mind.
Go stand right there.
Just sacrifice your body.
Dude.
Die.
Yeah,
Hang, are
you
you
know
up the hill?
what? Why don't I just sit in the
Right on
fucking
top of
bottom
you.
of the hill?
We're gonna give our position away. People are gonna look at us and we're gonna
Here
die.
comes a grenade.
Wow,
Nothing.
look at that avalanche.
Oh, there it is!
Look at it, Ryan. Zoom in on it, Ryan.
Oh
Zoom
my
in on
god. Oh my god. You this is perfect. This
Watch
is
the
fucking
houses.
perfect. Dude, I'm gonna snowboard down the fucking hill with it.
it. No, you're gonna die.
I'm
Oh,
stuck.
the wreck just crushing the
I'm
houses.
stuck.
And there was obviously nobody in that town because you didn't kill anybody. Oh, no, that was 27.
There's a vehicle.
Oh,